I'm going to install this and show you what it looks like installed, but first let me show you what you get with this. The actual light assembly itself comes shipped in 2 pieces. This in one piece, this in another piece. It's wrapped nice in plastic, and they both come inside of their own individual box inside of this larger box. So it arrives safely. This is a nice aluminum. It's waterproof according to the literature. You get some wire nuts, and important to me is these 2 screws to mount this guy to a junction box. Typical standard E26 base on here, ceramic, so any light bulb will fit it. It's got a 60 watt max on there. This guy screws off, so when you put this on and you get it installed, basically you're just going to put that on over here, screw this thing into place, and there it is. So it is a 10-inch pan. We're looking at about 11 inches from here to here, so maybe 16 inches it's going to stick out from the wall, just so you know. And all right, let's get this installed. We're going to need a voltmeter because we're going to make sure there's no power coming to this first. We're going to test it. We've done that, no power. Then I need a screwdriver, maybe a drill. I like to keep a little cup thing with all of my parts that I'll need in here. First thing we're going to do is attach this guy right here. I've provided my own washers. Now, like I said, you could put a level on here if you want. I'm not going to. This looks good to me. Next thing we're going to do is wire it up. Pretty simple. White to white, black to black, green to ground. We could actually attach the grounds right here if we wanted to. All right, first thing I'm going to do is attach the ground from the lamp. We've got black, white, and ground. That's our 3. So I'm going to attach this first. I can just tie this off, and then I can let it hang from this ground so I can work with my hands freely. So we'll get this on here first. Both grounds to that guy. And remember, if you don't feel comfortable doing this, make sure you consult an electrician. They've already got the piece stripped off here for you, so you just pull this off. Wire this black to black. I'm going to let that sit there so there's less tension. Pull this white cover off of here. Get our second wire nut. Wire that onto there. Just tie them together. Hang that over there too. At this point, if you wanted to put some electrical tape on here, you could do that. And we're just going to stuff this stuff back into this hole. Okay, I ran into one issue here, and I just want to point this out. These 2 screws, when I attached this onto here, were too long for me to put the caps on, the cap screws on. So what I had to do was unloosen this bolt and move these screws in and out a little bit until I got it exactly in the place that I wanted it to be in, so that I had just the right amount of room for these caps to go on. All right, now that we've got these lined up, next thing we're going to do is put on the washer and the cap. There's 2 washers and 2 caps. Line it up, put the washer on, then we will put the cap on this one. Nice and tight, hand tight. Washer on this one, and cap on this one. Again, hand tight. I'm going to crank these down a little bit with a pair of pliers, and hopefully I don't scratch it, which is what I usually do. But if I do, I will show you a trick. All right, so there it is. Made a couple of scratch marks right here. I'm just going to take a Sharpie and do that. Yep, there we go. All right, let's test it. There's a 60 watt light bulb in here. Works perfect. Next thing, we'll just test it at night, and we'll see what it looks like when the porch is lit up. Awesome.